What's going on, suckers? I'm back. Where do you think I was? I was off buying my island. I told you guys I was buying my island. Look at you guys, all you guys getting bullish. All you moon boys getting bullish. You guys are such suckers. You fall for this every time. Me and Savvy are gonna win again. Why do you think I own 2 Lambos on an island now? Why do you think I'm on a different level than all you? You guys are such suckers. Bitcoin just does this over and over and over again. It just gets rejected from its 100 EMA over and over and over again. You freaking retail suckers. You guys are such suckers. Bitcoin's bearish. It's gonna dump again. Right? Just like it did right here. It pumped, everyone got bullish, and then it dumped. We're going down again, boys. Get ready to lose your shoes like I did. You're all gonna lose your shoes. You're all gonna go, my shoe, my shoe. Where's my shoe? Ah, man. Man. What's going on, everyone? What is going on? Jabba's back in the house. I don't know if I'm very happy about that. I was actually very excited that he was gone for such a long time. But he is back, unfortunately, and we have to deal with him, right? We're going to have to deal with him over the course of the next couple weeks. Unfortunately, until Bitcoin decides to go back up to the upside. But for now, we're stuck with him again. But he said Jordan is the filter. I may be the filter, man. I may be the filter. Right? If anyone can confirm in the chat that I am not a filter, please, for me, confirm that I am not a filter because, you know, a lot of people do think I am a filter, but I am clearly not a filter. But anyways, guys, Bitcoin is trying to make a move up here. Guys, if we can, let's smash the likes to a new all-time high, like Crypto says. He always goes, let's smash up those likes to a new all-time high. Even though we're probably not going to do it, let's do it, right? Let's say that we're going to do it, and it's going to happen. All right. Also, if you're new to the stream, make sure you guys subscribe before we get started today. But thank you for the happy birthday wishes again, guys. Thank you. Bitcoin is trying to make a move back up. Had a pretty good day today, right? We got a pretty nice move from about, we actually went as low as about actually 36,800 and then came all the way back up, right? All the way back up to approximately test the $38,700 level, okay, on the 100 EMA, right? So quite a nice move, right? We're talking about a move of, you know, from wick to wick, if we just look at it, for approximately about a 5% swing, right? Not a terrible move, right? We can't get out of bed for this, but we got a pretty big move. But we're not out of the woods yet, but there's a couple things that maybe, right? I'm going to say this very lightly, maybe getting me a little bullish, okay? I'm getting a little feeling in my gymborees here. Now, obviously, there's still a lot of things going down. We got to see what happens with this crypto executive order and whatnot, but I may be getting a little bit of a feeling in my gymborees for a couple different reasons, okay? I'm feeling it, okay? It's down there. It's tickling. I'm getting a little sensation down there. It's quite beautiful if you ask me. And we'll talk about it in a second. So you guys can see here, I'm not going to spend too much time on the hourly today, but we are getting rejected off that 100 EMA, right? If we go back the last time where everyone was getting super euphoric, okay? If we go back to last time, you guys can see right here before we had that big dip from about 43,000 all the way down to approximately 34,000. You can see that Bitcoin also came back up to test the 100 EMA. And then got a pretty harsh rejection off that and obviously dumped to the downside. So, you know, we're not out of the woods yet. And it's not just this EMA on the hourly. It's also on the 4-hour, but we're sticking with the hourly for just now. The hourly does have a little bit more room to run up. So here's the thing. If Bitcoin can break this hourly EMA right here, has a good shot to continue to maybe go up to test the $40,000 range. There's a pretty good shot at Bitcoin going up to test the $40,000 range. We'll talk about it more on the 4-hour chart, but it has some room to run if it wants to. The question is, do we have the juice, right? If we look at that volume, volume is starting to fall off a cliff a little bit, right? So, you know, I would like to see a little bit more volume coming in to get us to get us over that EMA, but right now speaking, we're just not getting a ton of volume in the last 2 hourly candles. Hopefully that can switch up here relatively quickly because I'm trying to play the pump song, man. I'm trying to get jiggy with it. I don't know about you guys. I'm trying to get jiggy with it. Who's trying to get jiggy with it? Na 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 na. Clancy said, Jordan works out with the shake weight every day. I do. I do work out the shake weight. That's the best. And they're actually, real quick, guys, we'll go to the 4-hour chart so you guys can see what I'm talking about here real quick. But do you think there's actually people out there that actually bought the shake weight and thought they were going to get jacked? Let me know if you're someone here that watched the shake weight commercial and then thought they were going to get jacked by going, First of all, you look ridiculous, right? Second of all, it looks like you're jacking. It looks like you're jacking off. But anyways, we won't go for that. Is there anyone out there that actually did that? Let me know, right? Let me know, because that is ridiculous. I can't even take myself seriously. You guys like flexing in the mirror, going. No one actually did that. There's no way. I can't believe that company stayed afloat for so long. I just have a really, really hard time believing that was actually a thing. No, it definitely wasn't a thing. I refuse to believe it. But let's go to the 4-hour chart real quick, right, guys? The 4-hour chart. What is going down here? Well, you guys can see it's the same thing, right? It's the same thing. We have the Actually, I meant to say this is the. This is actually the 400 hourly EMA. I apologize, guys. The 400 hourly EMA, and it's actually the 104 hour EMA right here that Bitcoin is coming up to test. And it's kind of the same deal, right? It's kind of the same deal. You can see before we had that big dip to the downside last time, Bitcoin actually did, the similar thing where it came up to test this, and that was the signal when we came up to test this on a close that we got a massive drop to the downside. Kaboom, big drop to the downside, right? We tested it, and boom, 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 boom. We had a pretty significant drop from there. After testing it, we came down about 20%. Not going to say it's going to happen this time, but it is something to keep in mind. Now, I know everyone's talking about this as a possible symmetrical triangle, and that Bitcoin just got a little bit of, not a symmetrical triangle, a ascending triangle, which typically is a bullish pattern, right? So we'll look at the breakout target, and everyone's saying that this was just kind of a fake out down here to liquidate some long positions before continuing back up. I can see the sentiment there where you're getting higher lows other than this one little fake out. I can see the sentiment there. Am I too sold on this? Well, obviously, for us to break it, we have to break this neckline, which we came up to test once, we came up to test twice, and we came up to test 3 times. Can we break it on the 3rd try? Hopefully, right? Hopefully. The more time we test the resistance, the more often we are to break it. So if this was to go up and test, we can see right here from our swing high to our swing low, if we were just take a look at what this target would be if this could break to the upside. Let's say we break this to the upside in the next couple hours. Right? Let's just play a little bit of hot potato here, okay? That would put the target upwards of about 44,500. Is that likely? Listen. I'm not going to write off Bitcoin, right? I never write off Bitcoin for any type of move. But that would be the technical target. If we were to look at what the downside target would be, you guys probably wouldn't like this one. If we were to come back down low and break this to the downside, we probably would be coming back down to test that $33,000 range approximately if we broke this to the downside. So that's sort of the formation I see us kind of building right now up to a certain point. But it really comes down to breaking this current level. You guys can see there's so much confluence at this current level between the 104 hour and obviously the 401 hour, which makes sense, right? I mean, the 1 hour is a fourth of the 4 hour, right? But that's not it. What gets me super bullish right now, right? What's kind of turning me into Jimmy a little bit, and even though I can't find Jimmy. I can't find Jimmy. Can we have a moment of silence for Jimmy, guys? Real quick. I'll sing a kumbaya. I'll sing a kumbaya when we have a moment of silence for Jimmy, okay? I can't find him. He's gone. He's gone, guys. I looked. I found Jabba, but Jimmy's gone. Let's do a moment of silence. Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya. I don't even know what that means. Hopefully I'm not saying something bad. Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya. What am I singing? I'm singing some church song. Kumbaya. You guys are sitting here like, what the heck is going on, man? You guys are like,
Bruh.
oh, man, bro. What am I singing right now? What am I singing? F. I'm gone too. No more Jimmy. Come on, it is what it is. I will find Jimmy, okay? I will find Jimmy. And I can't believe Jimmy's dead. Anyways, this is what's getting me excited, guys. The daily, all right? Now, we got to close in 17 minutes. Can we close the daily RSI, okay? Why would it be bad? Because I have no idea what kumbaya means. I have no idea what kumbaya means, okay? Someone tell me what kumbaya means. I don't know what it means. Can someone in the chat tell me what that means? Okay? Shane said, I am a good Christian. Yes, I am a good Christian. I have no idea what kumbaya means. I could be saying, you know, screw. I could be seeing. I could be saying anything, you know? But anyways, is this not a Christian song? 100% is a Christian song. 100% is. But guys, we got this downtrend of resistance on the daily. We smacked the downtrend of resistance on the daily RSI. That's what's getting me a little bit excited. You might be saying, Jordan, that's not big of a deal. We've done that before, okay? We've done that before. Jordan, that's the reason you're pumped? That's the reason you're really gonna... That's the reason you're pumped, bro? That's it? I came here and I clicked on this video and I've been watching for 15 minutes for you to tell me that the daily RSI is broken? That's why I'm here? You just wasted 15 minutes of my freaking life. I'm going to watch Final Stand. Mom, get my meatloaf ready. I'm about to watch Final Stand. Thanks. Oh, man. But, dude, listen. It is, okay? It is a pretty good big thing. If we go back in the past and look at the last two dips that Bitcoin's had, right? And the last two times that we have inherently broken this downtrend of resistance, okay? Bitcoin has gone on to have a pretty big rally, right? If we go back in the summertime, we look right here. We ended up, see, we had this big downtrend of resistance on the daily. We actually broke it right here. And if we go back up, that candle was actually the start of the big rally to the upside, right? I'm not gonna say Bitcoin's gonna go on the same rally, but if we were to take the bottom to the top, that's about a 133% move after that one happened. And obviously, we did it in September as well, where we sort of had this downtrend of resistance on the daily RSI right here, right? Where we actually got 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, 4 touches. We finally broke it right here. Where was that candle? Well, that actually marked the reversal point as well, right? So we just got that right now, right? Will the price follow? We've been sort of talking about this, you know, the last couple days is if we saw a daily close above this, will this be the point where Bitcoin does go on? Will this be the point that Bitcoin does go on a possible another rally to the upside, okay? Now, past history does not equal future results, but if we take a look at it from that end, we should, based on last time, maybe we can get a little bit excited about the price maybe following. But, I'm not getting out of bed, at least. I am not getting out of bed, right? I am just continue to sleep. I will continue to sleep. Let me take a sip of tea so I don't fall asleep here. I'll continue to stay asleep until Bitcoin can break this downtrend of resistance. If Bitcoin can break this downtrend of resistance as well, that's what's going to get me a little bit more excited in my Jimba race, okay? They're slightly excited, okay? They're slightly excited, but that's this could be a sign that maybe we continue up. Obviously, there's outside factors right now. We got like we said, we got the whole crypto thing coming up and all that stuff. The crypto executive order coming up with Biden, with Sir Biden. Okay, we got that crap coming up. That could throw a wrench in things. But the chart, I mean, listen, I'm not getting out of bed for a $38,000 Bitcoin, but there are some signs that we could possibly be reversing somewhat soon. And I've been saying, man, I think we're relatively close to a bottom. We might not be at it yet, but I think we are relatively close, okay? I do think we are relatively close, at least for a relief rally to the upside. Now, I did make a post on Twitter. You guys probably saw my post on Twitter, okay? Let me know if you saw my post on Twitter this morning. I said that if Bitcoin can have a relief rally, I might move stuff into stables, okay? You might be saying, Jordan, that means you're a bear. What the heck, man? You're paper hands, paper hands. What I mean by that is that, say if Bitcoin can have a relief rally, I wouldn't do that right now, right? The risk versus reward right now is not worth it to move crypto into stables. But if Bitcoin was to go on a rally, let's actually go to this daily chart. If Bitcoin was to get a relief rally back up, and let's say it gets back up to the $46,000 range, I might be thinking about moving some of my Bitcoin and some of my ETH into stablecoins, right? I might be thinking about it, right? Because listen, for me, I'm not saying all of it, okay? I'm not saying all of it, but a decent chunk I might move into stablecoins, all right? For the simple fact that just to de-risk a little bit, okay? I'm not going to say everything, okay? I'm not going to give exact percentage or amount, but a sizable portion I might move into stablecoins if we do have a relief rally, okay? Now, I'm hoping for a relief rally up to, maybe 52,000, 53,000. But even 46,000, I might be doing some take profits in this range right here, in case we do get another move back down, just to de-risk. Not moving everything, right? Keeping stuff in there in case Bitcoin does decide to blow our socks off. But that could be something I'm looking at, right? Meow said, "Are you getting old, Jordan?" I may be getting old. Crypto Monster said Jordan is a trader now. I'm a trader, man. I'm a trader. Let me know in the chat if you agree or disagree with me. Agree or disagree with me if I should move stuff into stables right here. Let me know in the chat. And this is only if Bitcoin does go on this rally. I'm not even completely sold on that just yet. Okay, but that is what I'm looking at the moment. All right. Jordan is trolling. Jordan's trolling. Listen, man. Stay in stable hands. Stable hands, man. That's crazy, bro. Disagree? Agree? Come on now. Let's talk about crypto. Traders, I agree to disagree. Agree? Disagree? Agree? Clint said total paper hands, like Kevin, who today sold his course without selling that one. Give us an exact percentage, dude. Keep the dollar secret, but give us more than that. What you're saying, shameful. Clint, come on, man. Come on, Clint. Listen, I think I said, what did I say? I actually didn't say anything on Twitter. I'd probably be looking at 20, 30%. 20, 30%. Okay? And listen, I might, like, if we're starting to look really bad right there, I might even sell all my crypto, guys. I might sell all my crypto. If Bitcoin goes back up to this $46,000 range, there's a very, very strong possibility of me selling all my crypto, guys. I mean, things are looking extremely bearish right now, right? Extremely bearish. There's a strong possibility of me just liquidating my whole portfolio and just riding out this bear market and trying to time the bottom and trying to catch the falling knife, right? It's what I preach every day, right? You guys should definitely sell and then try to time the bottom. It's definitely the way you want to go, all right? Things are looking so bearish, right? We have, the predictive funding rate, which every time this bottoms, right? Right? Bitcoin tends to be relatively close to a bottom, right? So I also think that I'm very bearish at the moment. This looks like the top to me, right? This looks like the top. No, but in all seriousness, I mean, guys, this is something that I saw today, which is basically the funding rate, the predicted funding rate, where every time this actually flips to the negative, we are maybe not at the exact bottom, right? But when you stay there for a relatively long period of time, you could be close to a relatively short-term bottom. Now you could stay there like the summertime where you stayed there and went sideways for an extended period of time, right? But this could be something to watch, right? We're starting to flip that negative now, so keep that in mind. We also have BTC balances on exchanges actually going to the 3-year low, right? The 3-year low on Bitcoin balances on exchanges, which is crazy, right? I mean, think about that. I mean, the amount of Bitcoin on exchanges right now is lower than it's been since 2018. That is absolutely nuts when you think about it, right? That's absolutely nuts. So, I mean, listen. It's not just the price. I'm sort of trolling right now. I'm on a trolling. I've been a little bit of a trolly mood lately on Twitter and in general. It's just funny, man. I was trolling people today too. No, but listen. Here's what I'm truly looking at here. All right, if Bitcoin starts moving up, all right, and I see, we get some. If Bitcoin starts moving up, and I'm not sold on the price action, and there could be a possibility of me taking profits. Now, if Bitcoin gets some really bullish news and we really start picking up some momentum and we're not slowly moving up like a slug like this, right, then that could possibly change. But it's something I'm considering, right? It is something I'm actually considering. I'm not being a complete troll here, all right? Denise is spitting kumbaya. Oh, Denise, what is kumbaya? Denise said the term kumbaya originates from a 1926 song called "Oh Lord, You Won't Come By Here." Pleads for divine intervention, for God to come by here and help people in great need. Exactly. We need it for Jimmy, okay? Kumbaya, my Lord. Kumbaya. Kumbaya, my Lord. Kumbaya. Kumbaya, my Lord. Kumbaya. Everyone sing it for Jimmy, man. We need to find him. I need everyone's help. We need everyone's help to find Jimmy. All right. Also on the weekly, we've been talking about a few possible things in the weekly, right? I mean, we were kind of waiting for confirmation of, at least stringing together a few green candles here on the weekly to possibly get some bullish divergence here, which, I mean, right now you have it, right? I mean, it's only been 2 weeks. I mean, not even 2 weeks. It's only Monday, okay? It's only Monday. But in general, okay, we are getting those higher lows, right? We got one higher low, we got 2 higher lows, and we got a lower low and a lower low, right? So we do have a little bit of bullish divergence on the weekly time frame, right? It's clearly there. So can we get some more momentum to the upside? There are some bullish signs that are popping up, guys. I'm not trying to be a complete bear. There are some bullish signs, right? There's some bullish signs. But, yeah, I mean, listen. That's what I'm looking there in the daily, too. Keep hitting that like button, guys. Keep hitting that like button. Keep hitting that like button for your boy here, all right? I want claps. I'm scared. Hit the likes, you jabronis. I haven't heard anyone said the word jabronis in a while. Jabronis. I haven't heard anyone say, it's a lot of different words. Guys, what's a weird word? Well, you probably wouldn't know, because if I was like, guys, what's a weird word that you guys haven't heard in a while? You wouldn't just be able to know, because then it wouldn't be a weird word, right? Then it wouldn't be a weird word. What's Bitcoin doing? 38.5? Come on, BTC. We got 4 minutes until the daily close. Guys, should we get on the... I don't know if we're going to close above here. I mean, we got to have a pretty massive move. But I think... for all the Vikings in the chat, all right? For all the Vikings in the chat, we should get our swords and shields out. So I need everyone right now, spam the swords, spam the shields for Bitcoin to somehow, magically, we got to think it, we got to believe it, that Bitcoin's going to close above the 100 EMA in the next 4 minutes. Let's get the swords and shields out. Let's go. Vikings, we have 3 minutes to push them back. If we do not push them back in the next 3 minutes, Bitcoin could be facing a dire, dire doom back down to the core of the earth, where all the goats that we have sacrificed over the last 3 years reside. I need all my Vikings and all my Jordanites to gather together. Hit all our sticks together here. That sounds so wrong. Hit all our sticks together here. And we will fight to the death for the next 3 minutes. Push them back. No, but yeah, guys, we got 2 minutes. It's, I guess, you know, listen, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. 38,522. We got 2 minutes to get above 38,734. Right? 2 minutes to get back above there. Can we do it? Can we do it? That is the question. Either way, we're gonna watch it. All right. Either way, we're gonna watch it, and we're gonna sit here. Put all your sticks together. Put all the sticks. But no, why is if you're just joining now, why is this so important that Bitcoin closes above here? Well, it's important because that's where Bitcoin got rejected the last time it had a major fall, was right at that level. And also on the 4 hour was also right at that level as well. We actually went up to test that twice right there. Okay. Twice. So that is why that is so important for us to possibly get back above it. All right, let's do this. Let's do this, boys. We got this. Oh, and it's the monthly close. I actually completely forgot it's the monthly close today. We'll go over the monthly in a second as well. The monthly, it's a couple of nice things on the weekly here too. I do want to say Bitcoin's. Let's see if we can get back above the weekly Ichimoku cloud. We did bounce off the bottom of the Bollinger Bands on the weekly as well. So, I mean, guys, there's a couple. On the longer term time frames, here's the thing, and I'm sort of stuck between a rock and a hard place here because the longer term time frames look like Bitcoin's near a bottom, but the shorter term time frames look kind of iffy. Okay, so you're kind of stuck between this. Should we trust the long term time frames, or should we think about? Sorry, guys, I just burped. Woo, woo wee, woo wee. That protein shake coming in hot. Holy moly! I guess it's better than me farting on stream. I will say that. But the longer, we're kind of deciding, you know, should we trust the longer term time frame? Should we trust the shorter term time frame charts in the short term? We don't know, right? We have no idea, zero idea. But no, bounce on the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. We know we got a weekly close below the weekly Ichimoku cloud. Can we get back above that weekly Ichimoku cloud? You guys can see this is a critical area for many different reasons, not even just on this. And the stock RSI also bottomed out, and the regular RSI, which I don't have up on this right now, is also the lowest it's been since the March 2020 crash. So many things coming here on the weekly. If we actually go to the monthly real quick, actually, let's go see where Bitcoin closed. So Bitcoin closed at right about 38,500, so we could not hold them back. The bears unfortunately won this battle. But it is what it is. It happens all the time. No tip, no tip touching. Not the tip. You can only touch the shafts. So bad, man. What's going on, Rich Weatherford? He said, love the channel. Play the pump music for Joe. Can you check the support resistance levels? Joe is pickle. Joe is a pickle? What? Joe is a pickle? Wait, what am I doing the support resistance levels? Oh, for BTC? All right. I guess I'm playing the pump song for Joe. I don't know who Joe is, but can everyone dance for Joe real quick? I need to see everyone with the dancing emoji in the chat right now. Let's go. We're dancing for Joe. right, Joe. Joe is a coin? Joe's a coin? I didn't know Joe was a coin. That's great. All right, so we got an initial rejection. Will Bitcoin have a move back down, or will it be able to break this tonight? That is the question, okay? That is thy question, right? I need to... Stonks pumped today, too. Yeah, Stonks went up today, too. Stonks had a pretty good day to do. Algo. Good call on that. We'll check it. The monthly close. I know everyone's worried about the monthly close. Let me actually take these off real quick. So the monthly, we closed at, right over said 38,500. So, Will, nice dance moves. Thank you. My dance moves are always great. Okay, I got the best dance moves in the game. I'm a little bit better of I'm a little bit better at the slow vibes, right? When it comes to the fast vibes, I'm kind of all over the place, right? I would say that my bottom half definitely has better rhythm than my top half. We'll say that. No pun intended, okay? No pun intended. My bottom half probably has better rhythm than my top half, okay? We're talking about dance moves here. But, I shall break you, young man. Clint. All right, give me 1 sec. Clint, I got you on the bet. Hold on real second, man. All right, Bitcoin on the monthly, 38.5. So what we're talking about is, everyone's gonna kind of laugh and say, it's a monthly uptrend. Listen, guys, it is technically a monthly uptrend. I don't care what y'all say, all right? I don't care what y'all say. It is a monthly uptrend. Let's see over here. Let me actually grab my... where's my parallel channel? Here we go. Grab my parallel channel real quick, and let's actually take the swing to swing down and sort of look at it like this. Now, I know everyone will make fun of me, right? Well, not make fun of me, but listen, guys. Listen. As far as the closes go, we're still in an uptrend on the monthly. I know what everyone's going to say, too. Everyone's going to say, Jordan, first it was the 4-hour uptrend, then it was the daily being broken, then it was the weekly being broken. Now we're going to say we're in a monthly uptrend? What's next, the yearly? What's after that, the 6-year? Like, when does it stop? You permabull. Give it up. We're in a bear market, bro. I already know that's what I gotta say. But listen, in reality, we are in a monthly uptrend. So keep that in mind. We're still in there. So, listen, for now, there's not much to really comment on the monthly. What I will say is, with that monthly close, the monthly stock RSI is getting to the low point. Now, listen, you can stay down there for a while, right? You bottomed out right here in 2018. You still went significantly lower. So it's not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. But that's what we're watching for. Now, Bitcoin's 38.4. Will Bitcoin dump here, right? That's the question. If we actually, let's zoom in a little bit. Let's actually go to like a 15-minute chart so we can get a little deep and dirty here. A little deep and dirty, because that's what we do. All right, let's get a little dirty in here. So if we look at this, connect to Wix. Dude's going to take the crown from George. If we look at this, I mean, the 15 minutes really not giving us much, I'd say. Kind of just in a range, so not really much going on there. We'll keep it on the 15 minutes, see if we really get anything pumping here. Anything juicy coming on. We did have some bullish div on the 15 minute. For what it's worth, we had a little bit of bullish div on the 15 minute, right? I mean, take that for what you will. Raphael said, "You are so funny." Thanks, man. I don't think I'm very funny. Listen, I just say what I'm thinking, I guess, using my brothers too. To make it not look like I'm looking so bad and just blame it on them, pretty much. And everyone thinks I'm a filter, so I am not a filter, I swear. But 15 minute, higher lows, lower lows. Will Bitcoin be able to use this to come up higher? That's going to be the question, right? Now, the volume, like we said, is kind of tapering off here. So keep that in mind. It is the 15 minute, so obviously keep that in mind too. I would like to see a little bit more volume come in. But Bitcoin's trying, right? It's trying to get a move up here. So we'll wait and see there. But we just got to break it back up this level, man. That's all it comes down to right now. And the good thing is, what I say about the good thing about the short term is we were able to not create any bearish divergence, right? We actually kind of actually made a higher high on the 4-hour RSI and on price action. That's the good thing, right? We don't have to deal with any 4-hour bearish divergence, all right? Guys, keep smacking up that like button. We are hitting 1,000 likes tonight. Smack it. Smack it like you never smacked anything before, okay? Smack it like, what should I say? Smack it like Jabba was smacking Melissa on the island last night, all right, before he came back, okay? Smack that, as Akon would say. Smack that all over the floor, all right? All over the floor. Or the bed, or the couch, or, you know, or the table, or the pole, or, you know, if you're getting a little deep and dirty, maybe you're smacking it, I don't know, you're smacking it somewhere promiscuous, and not promiscuous, or what's the word? What's the word? Not the bird. What's the word, man? Come on, man. Somewhere random. I can't think of the word, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean. We'll get off that now. But yeah, I mean, that's really it. I mean, we talked about Bitcoin for 40 minutes. That's really the gist. All right, here comes Bitcoin. Here comes Bitcoin.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Let's go, baby. Can Bitcoin get a move up here? 38,577. Let's go. I am about to call this like an NFL announcer. Let's get this right now. 38,563.
Bitcoin's going to 10K.
Wrong, you elf.
We're going to 100K tomorrow.
Stupid elf. Bird is the word. Bird, bird, bird. The bird is the word, and I'm a bird, bird, bird. Scandalous. Naughty. Naughty could be the word. Yep, that could definitely be the word. Looking at the 15 and the 60-year chart, we reach it now. Absolutely, we're reaching a little bit. Okay, we're reaching a little bit. Bully Bulldog said question mark. I love when people come in the chat and they're like question mark or period. It's like, bro, what kind of stream you think you're coming into? You're coming into a stream like you never seen before. All right, there's no other stream like this. Okay, there's no other stream like this. We are weird, but we take it to heart and we are who we are. Okay, we're all weirdos who watch this stream. Okay, we're all weirdos. It's better to be a weirdo than be dry. 100%. I would say that. All right, 38,620. We're coming up to it. So we got to break back above 38,741 is the level I'm watching here on the 4-hour. That is the level. Can we get a clean break? And obviously we're going to have to get a 4-hour close above in order to fully confirm this. Get out of here, you fly. I'm out here smacking flies today. Here comes Drew. Here comes Drew with the question period. Question period. You troll, man. You freaking troll. Here's Denise with the periods. And Smokey with the question marks. Yeah, you guys are killing me. Killing me. What else you say? Oh, Crypto Savvy. Let's see. Algo said, let's try this. Positive vibes only tonight. Thanks for all you do, Jordan. Never stop being you, brother. We appreciate you. Thank you, man. Thank you. I'm all about the positive vibes. Listen, I try to find a balance, guys. I try to find a balance. I feel like I do a good job. I try to find a balance of staying positive, but also being a realist. Okay? I don't want to be a complete moon boy, but I am a moon boy at heart. But I also don't want to be like, the charts look bearish. There's no hope. There's no hope. We're going to zero. This is Amazon all over again. Right? I don't want to be this guy. I don't want to be this freaking guy. This miserable guy. What's going on, guys? It's Savvy. The charts look so bearish again. For the 4th year in a row. So bearish. Guys, this is Amazon all over again. We're going back down to 8K. I can't wait to see all the bulls cry in their tears of blood. Cry in their tears of blood. Guys, this just perfectly matches the Amazon fractal. Okay? I know I've called Bitcoin to go lower ever since Bitcoin was at 3K, but this is the Amazon fractal, right? There's a clear 5 wave coming back down to the downside, guys. I mean, we can clearly see it. If we go to the weekly, daily, even the daily chart here, guys, this is just wave one. This is just wave one. It's going to get a lot worse. And the bulls will cry in their tears, right? This is just wave one. We're going to get wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four, and wave five all the way back down to 8K. It is happening, okay? Nothing has changed, right? Bitcoin's been bearish in 65K. Nothing has changed, guys. Nothing has changed whatsoever. I try to find a balance between the two. And sometimes it's tough because, you know, I'm more of a positive person, but you got to find the balance. You got to find the balance. You do. Let's see. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. Rodney said, Denise. Oh, no, Rodney. He said, how come I am not showing up as a member? I've been a member for 6 months. Rodney, what sometimes can happen, man, it's not your fault. I've actually gotten this from, Rodney. Hit me up. I'll hit you up on Twitter after the stream, man. I'll hit you up after the stream. Sometimes there's like a little bit of a glitch with YouTube. It's not really a glitch, but I'll let you know why that might have happened. Hit me up on Twitter after the stream, man. I got you, bro. But yeah, I mean that's the general gist of what I'm seeing, right? You got to stay positive. You also got to be a realist. You got to balance it a little bit. All right, so I mean that 15 minutes bullish div kind of played out a little bit, right? I mean, let's see if we can get any more momentum to the upside. We need a little bit more momentum, guys. A little bit more momentum. 8K to Elliot waved to 8K. Ether Boy became a member. What's going on, Ether Boy? My guy, Ether Boy. Crypto Savvy said, I can't believe what I'm hearing. Welcome to the club, Jordan. Yeah, that's not the real Crypto Savvy. I refuse to believe that the real Crypto Savvy is in here trolling me, man. I refuse to believe it. Just like the real me is trolling Crypto Savvy in his own stream. I refuse to believe it. I really do. Jay said, how do you become a member? If you guys want to become a member, you guys can join pressing the join button down below. Normally we do streams on Saturday mornings. We'll be doing those more often going forward. The market's just been so boring, man. That last time I did a member stream, there was like 3 people in there. You know what I mean? Before the stream. And I just opened it up to everyone. We're going to be doing those more often going forward. And I'm working on some other things behind the scenes too that I won't tell you about yet because I don't want to promise that stuff. But yeah, you can press it. There's right next to the subscribe button. You can press the join button if you want to join, man. Clint said, I'll tone down the bets. Clint. All right, let's do a bet. Clint. $50 bet. All right. All right, I'll let you choose the bet. $50 bet, Clint. All right. Let me know what the bet is, but $50. Right. You let me know what the bet is. All right. I'm not trying to do your $500 and $1,000 bets. $50 bet. You let me know in the chat, man. You let me know. But I got you on that. All right, let's do some alts. ETH is actually, here's what I'm watching for ETH, guys. Can ETH get back above what I consider, okay, the most important level for ETH, which is this big red box here. Okay, you guys see this big, what used to be a juicy red box, and now it's sort of a slimy red box. Very, very slimy. Okay, as we know, ETH is very, very saggy. And what's the word we use? I think it was saggy. ETH is just very, very saggy, guys. Very, very saggy. But here's what I'm looking at here, right? Previous high, previous low. We're coming up to that level now. Can ETH break back above, okay? Can ETH come back above, go down the bottom, break back above this level here, right? Which is basically the what I consider the most important swing level for ETH, which is right here. We're coming up to it. It spans from 2,700 up to 2,800. We get back above that, then we maybe could be talking a little bit about ETH, but we got to get back above that level, right? It's very, very key, very, very key that we get back above that level for Ethereum, at least in the short term. We don't want to just come back up and once again do what we usually do, which is come back up, flip this as resistance, and then come back down, right back down to the support. right? Obviously, that's not what we want to do, but that's more so the general theme for ETH. If we actually go to a 4-hour chart on ETH and zoom in a little bit, ETH, a little bit of a cap in ETH, could be, ETH might actually, what's interesting here about ETH, you know, which is definitely interesting, ETH actually might be breaking out. And what's interesting about ETH is it actually has a lot more clean of a pattern than Bitcoin. We know Bitcoin had this big fake out to the bottom, but ETH, you can actually use that, and it has a very, very, very clean 4-hour chart. Now, you're coming up on this wick right here, right? And you could argue that this is actually the neckline here, right? If you really wanted to, you could argue that was a neckline. Let me actually pull up the RSI real quick for ETH real here. So no bearish div on ETH for the 4-hour, but you know, we got 3 higher lows and we got same resistance on the top side. Actually a pretty beautiful ascending triangle, right? So it's just like Bitcoin. It's right on the edge of glory, right? Right on the edge of glory, just like Bitcoin. Bitcoin struggling, ETH is chilling right there. Can ETH, we know sometimes ETH can lead, can ETH break this? And possibly, hopefully, bring up Bitcoin with ETH. That's sort of the I guess, I don't know if a hypothesis. You guys always get mad when I say, when I use the word thesis. That's my thesis. That's my hypothesis. You guys get so mad when I use those words. So mad. It's like, come on, guys. That's my thesis. That's just my thesis. Like, you guys get mad when I use the word thesis. I think it's Clinton who gets mad when I use the word thesis, to be honest. But yeah, it's just like Bitcoin. Like if we were to take, you know, a measure move, we'll take it from swing high to swing low. We look at some type of measure move, and that would put ETH back up to like right around the previous high. We're talking about a $3,200 ETH. Bring it to the downside. You know, we'll say we break out somewhere over there. Would put us near our previous low, right about 2,200. So that's where we're watching there for ETH, at least on the shorter term time frames. But ETH is pretty much in the same predicament as Bitcoin at the moment as far as the short term time frames. All right, that's what I'll say about that. All right, come on, Bitcoin, man. It's ridiculous. Can we get a happy clap? Absolutely, man, because we are happy, man. Absolutely.
Happy and clapping. Vitalik is impressed. Vitalik clapping, 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 clapping.
Who the heck is this guy?
Clapping, clapping, clapping.
Who the heck is this weirdo? Why is he so happy? Why can't I be that happy? I will when Bitcoin dumps. Hey, Vitalik, ETH is gonna dump. You weirdo. Stop clapping. ETH is gonna dump. Get out of here. Get out of here. No wonder why you're so weird. Because you always think ETH is gonna go up, but it's gonna go down forever. No wonder why you're so weird. Freaking Vitalik. You're so weird. You're so... What the... Boogers! Boogers! Vitalik! Right here! Right here! No! Give it to me! Give it to me! I love boogers! Yo! This is the first time. Oh, man. Oh, man. It's the first time. It's the first time Java saw Vitalik pick his nose, man. Holy crap. That would be best buds. All right. 38,354. Come on, BTC, do something. I thought today was gonna be the day, man. I thought today was gonna be the day.
Okay, tiny better on your baby egg. I say it's under $2,700 on the daily at win your buy more 50.00 in cheese. You win. Il super chat and or ridiculous $50 for
Let's see. All right, here we go. Here we go. We got I got you Waterfly and Rary. Let me do Rary for Waterfly real quick, and then Ultimate Gandhi. I got you on Algo too, brother. I'm not gonna forget you. I'm not gonna forget you, man. I'll never forget you. Let me do Rary real quick. We'll get a little pumpy in here. We'll get a little pumpy. Rary, which is holy majoli. This thing got okay. Fair enough. There you go. There you go. No, but Rary. Come on, man. Breathe, man. Breathe. Come on, Jordan. You can do it. Don't be turning into BB. Don't be turning into BB on stream. But no, Rary. I mean, it's a nice little move there. I mean, you oversold in the daily. I mean, that was a nice little setup there. That was a nice little setup. So let's actually bring this down. It's just a big channel, really. Been a longer term channel. I mean, you got oversold in the daily, it popped right up, and that was a nice little move there. Assume you broke all the Fibonacci's. Yeah, all the little Fibonacci's actually getting resistance right in the 786, and you swing lows at the moment. So nice move there. Nice move. How big was that move from the bottom the last 2 days? 1.48%, looking at a 38% move, not too shabby. Now, obviously, the big level coming up is the swing lows, right? Right there. A bunch of swing lows. You get back above that, it's a good shot. You're testing the top of the channel, but that's going to be the big test. Can you switch, or can you not create the previous swing lows, get back above that, right? Then you'd be looking juicy on that, man. All right, well, let's see Clint's bet. Clint said, okay, tiny bet on your baby ETH. I say it's under 2,700 on the daily at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight. I win, you buy more $50 in SHIB. You win, I'll super chat another ridiculous $50 for ETH nonsense. All right, let me look at ETH real quick. Let me see if I want to do this bet. Right, all right, let me look at Bitcoin, I should say. So ETH is at, this is a juicy bet right here. A juicy bet. I don't know if I want to do this bet right now. Let's see. So ETH is at 26.94. So you're going to say it's under 2,700? That's not a good bet for me. That's a terrible bet for me. That's a terrible bet. Clint, come on, man. That is a terrible bet. Listen, Bitcoin's right at resistance, okay? And ETH is already under 2,700. That is not a logical bet for me. Okay? That is not a logical bet. But you know what I'm going to do? Clint, just for you, I'm going to take that bet. Okay? Even though I don't think it's going to happen, I actually think I'm going to lose this bet. I actually think I'm going to lose this bet. And I'm still going to take this bet. Okay? So I do think 8:30, right? 8:30 is the close. I'm going to take it, even though I think I'm going to lose. I'm going to do it. Let's do it. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. But if I was to choose the side, I would probably choose your side. Let's see what the poll is. Is Jordan bullish or bearish? 56% said Jordan is bullish. Wow. That's crazy, man. Even after all these days of me being bearish. You said that's not fair. It's not really fair, but, listen. I'll take it anyways. All right, let's do Gandhi. Let's do Algo for Gandhi real quick. What a name, man. What a name. You probably got some positive vibes flowing, bro. You got all those positive vibes flowing through your bangs. You got some big bangs coming through. You got some positive vibes flowing through your bangs. No, you got some positive vibes throwing through your veins, man. 100%. You should have spa him a few points. All right, let's see. So, Algo. Let's do a little Algorand. Algo on the 4 hour and the daily. Let's actually go to a different chart. Let's go to this one here. All right, so daily. Let's actually zoom. Let's do a little zoomy. Let's do a little zoomy zoom here. I'm gonna first get my longer term Fibonacci's here. Let's take the swing low in little March dumpy to the top. I'm actually going to use the wick there. Here's the thing. Here's the thing on Algo. In the summertime, you got perfect support off the 786 and the previous local high. I mean, that was a perfect setup in the summer, which also, I mean, triple bottom catapulted to the upside. The issue I see now, I guess it's not so much an issue, but more so, you didn't come all the way back down to test that 786 fib, right? You're sort of, at the moment, just kind of chilling in space, right? Chilling in space right now. Let's zoom in a little bit. I'm sure it's going to have, the 4 hour is going to have the same setup as Bitcoin and ETH, right? Just the higher lows and the same resistance on the top side. So, I mean, listen, the short-term price action is going to follow BTC. I mean, it looks identical to BTC in a way. But, listen, I mean, this is technically a bullish consolidation, but, right? Are you going to is Bitcoin going to break this on this try, or is Bitcoin going to come down one more time to at least test the support here, right? That's the question. I mean, this is going to be a tough cookie to crack for BTC right here. It hasn't been able to do it consistently, so it's going to be the same thing. I'll go be able to get back up to the highs here. But it is a bullish consolidation, I would say. Longer term, listen, let me actually pull up this real quick. Yeah, still below the 4 hour EMA ribbon too. Listen, I mean, short term, I'm not sold on BTC pumping right now. I do think that this still could come back down to the 786. Back down to 71 cents would be my call, right? Just to create some type of double bottom and come back down to test the 786 again. If I had to give my input, I do think you come back down one more time. Just my opinion. But Bitcoin can change that, right? If Bitcoin decides to just pump here, then Algo can certainly move up. But it's just most of the altcoins have come back down to at least the 786, if not below. Doesn't mean you have to, but I like to see those fibs respected as far as lows, in my opinion. Bada bing, bada boom. Jordan is not a bull. I am a bull. I am 100% a bull. 100%. All right, where's ETH? We got to see where this bet's going right now. So 26.95. So ETH's got to close above 2,700 in an hour. We got an hour here, boys. We got an hour. We've gone over the content that we have. All right. So I mean, we can chill. We can chill, talk altcoins. We can do whatever you guys wanted to, right? That's why we're here. As long as you guys hit up that like button, though. Keep smacking that like button. I appreciate you guys hanging out. Once again today, we're crabbing, bro. It's another day. Bitcoin pumps all day. Bitcoin pumps all day. We get on stream. It's a crab. We're all crab. It's a crab market. It's a crab market. It's a crab. It's a crab market. It's a crab market. We're all crabs. We're all crabs. I'm Jordan, and I don't like to eat crabs, but we are a crab ourselves. It's a crab market. It's a crab market. I need to make a crab. I need to make some of these songs. In all seriousness, man. 38,486. Come on, BTC. Pump up. Pump it up, boys. Join Discord and talk about aliens. For real. You gotta talk about something in these times. Real or are you imitation? This is real. This is real. Drew said, can we talk aliens? I mean, yeah, we could talk aliens while we wait. Why not? We could talk, if you guys want to talk altcoin, let me know. If not, we can talk about stuff. So aliens. Are aliens real? That is the question. First, let's ask the chat. Do you guys think that there are aliens, aka, let's word it like this. Do you guys think that there's any life outside of Earth? Let me know in the chat, yes or no. Any life outside of Earth? Let me know in the chat. Right? I personally think that there is, right? I don't think that there's any in our galaxy or in our little solar system, but I do think that there's aliens out there. I'm convinced, right? How did the Egyptians make the pyramids with limited technology? Okay, I couldn't build a pyramid right now. I couldn't build a pyramid. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous, man. We were all aliens? No. Dan said yes. No. No. Yes. Yes. There's got to be aliens out there, man. There's got to be. You're telling me we're the only circle everywhere that has life. You're telling me there's nothing else out there. Listen, he said slaves, hard work and determination. I'm not sold. I'm not sold. What's 786 for mana? I got you, Kennedy. I got you, man. What's going on, man? For love? No aliens? Just got to give them credit. Yeah, I mean, maybe they were just, maybe they were just killing it, man. I don't know. They could have just been killing it, but you never know. You never know. All right, let me do Man of the 786. We'll go back to... oh, come on, ETH. ETH is going to screw me, man. ETH is going to absolutely screw me. All right, Mana is... Oh, look at Mana. Look at my baby. Look at my baby. There will be a fake alien invasion soon. There might be a fake alien invasion, man. Dude, they're they got tired of watching Bitcoin crab and went out and did something fast. There might be an alien invasion. I don't know. Imagine that. We imagine if it's just a bunch of people dressing up like aliens and fake evading. That would be crazy, man. I would not be surprised. I would not be surprised if that happened in 2022. Like, what's next? What else could possibly happen in this world that, our world is so weird. What else could possibly happen in this world? You know what I mean? Like, listen, whatever happens, I'm chilling in my life. My life's good, right? My life is good. I can't complain about anything. I've always said you can't complain about anything in life. But what's going to happen in 2022? You're going to have people dressing up as aliens going, right? It's like, dude. It's like, dude, you can't expect anything at this point, man. If it happens, I'll be chilling. I'll be chilling like a villain, man. All right, we had Kennedy ask, what's the 786 for mana? So the 786 for mana, we actually perfectly back tested that. 175, right? 175 is the 786. And yes, the only people that will get invaded by the aliens are XRP holders and Litecoin holders. All right, so you're trying to get back above the daily EMA ribbon. Mana's looking pretty juicy right now. You smacked above your previous lows. Oh, Mana. Oh, Mana. Oh, Mana. I love how this show gets wilder and wilder. We talk about crazy stuff in here, man. But yeah, the 786 bounced perfectly off that. Can we get some more juice to the upside? right? I'm telling you right now, my mana is looking juicy. My mana is looking juicy right now. All the mana that I bought down here, all $10 worth of the mana, right? My $10 is now worth like $16 now. My $10 is now worth 16 bucks. I can't believe it, guys. I'm rich. I'm rich. But yeah, I mean, you get back on the daily EMA ribbon, which you're kind of struggling with right now. You're right at the top of it. I mean, I would say that 0.5 is where you're going next. It's 325. But mana is looking good. At least getting a good bounce at the moment, which is all you can ask for at the moment. Now, there is a little bit of bearish divergence forming here. Keep that in mind. If we actually get rid of the EMA ribbon, you guys can see we do have lower highs and higher highs here. It's not confirmed until the trend reverses, but at the moment, it's there, right? It is there that you do have this slight, ever so slight, very, very slight bearish divergence in the daily. So keep that in mind, everyone, but not confirmed yet. Obviously not confirmed yet. If mana can break this, get back to 325, make a higher high, it's obviously null and void. Come on, BTC. Bro, you're killing me. I'm going to have to buy $50 more worth of SHIB. I already knew I was going to lose that bet anyway, just based off TA. Just based off, what do people say that TA is astrology? Just based off astrology. I knew I was going to lose that bet. 100%. It is what it is, though. I guess I'm buying the dip. I'm buying the dip on SHIB. What are you going to do? What are you freaking going to do? Buy the dip. Buy the dip. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to buy the dip. Buy the dip. Buy the dip. Buy the dip. That's what I'm doing. Too much resistance. There is too much resistance there. But I'm going to buy the dip. Buy the dip. Buy the dip. We were put on this earth specifically to take care of it. We're doing an awful job at taking care of our earth. I'm actually shocked that humans have survived this long with not just destroying ourselves. Like, I'm very shocked that humans are still on Earth right now. We're not something else. Like, how have we lasted for so long? Can someone please tell me? It's definitely getting worse. Wesley said, "What's your thoughts on tectonic?" Tectonic? We do tectonic. By the dip, 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 by the dip. Tectonic. Let's see. I guess it's not on here. I don't know what that means. TA meant something much different in my childhood. I don't know what I have no idea. I don't even want to know what it meant in your childhood, man. I don't even want to know. Brandon said render will lead the way. All right, we'll check out render. What's render doing, man? Render by the dip, by the dip. Jordan spitting facts now. You guys know I always spit facts. All right, listen, guys, you have to give me some credit. Every time that I talk about something on stream, I spit straight facts. I got no filter, man. I got straight facts every time I talk about something other than crypto. Because you guys know, I'm a philosopher. I'm Dr. Phil. I'm a therapist. I'm a technical analyst. I'm a crypto expert. I'm totally kidding. I'm not a crypto expert. But yeah, I mean, that's all I do, Mike. Come on now. All right. Render token. Render token. It's an interesting token. Let's see. I mean, listen, it's not really in a channel. I was trying to find some type of channel. It's not really in a channel. I would say right now, I'm probably more worried about this downtrend here. And you might be cracking it, right? You might be right at that. So, got 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches. You're coming up and trying to crack that right now. If that cracks...
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
Right? You might be going a little bit to the moon. Okay? There's definitely a possibility. We might go to the moon in that instance. Yeah, I mean, you broke the 236. It's probably a good shot. I mean, the daily EMA ribbon, you smack the daily EMA ribbon. You got to get a daily close above it, right? It's all about the daily close. but you did break it. Now we got to confirm it tomorrow on the close, but this could be a very, very bullish day if this can get a little bit more upside price action. Let's hope that Bitcoin can help it a little bit. If Bitcoin can stay somewhat bullish here, that would definitely help render. But, you know, obviously, you get that daily close above this. I mean, you're looking at 441 at least. If you can get a little bit higher here, right? I would say a little bit higher, just for old times' sake, right? Just for old times' sake. Steve Harvey. Oh, hold on. I gotta make someone blue. I gotta make someone blue in the chat. There we go. There we go. I had to make someone blue in the chat. Welcome the new blue guy. I also have to make someone a mod in the Discord. I will do that after the stream. I keep forgetting. I gotta make Sapphire a mod in the Discord, by the way. Straight fact splitter. That's what I do, man. But yeah, but render's looking good right now. Render's looking real good. What's ETH doing? ETH 26, 86. It's looking very, very dire for me. Looking very, very dire. Possible cup and handle on Phantom. Possible cup and handle. Listen, the only cup and handle I got is right here, man. That's the only cup and handle I got right here. Right here, man. Cup and handle.
Possible cup and handle on FTM?
Phantom. Phantom. So Phantom is bada bing, bada boom. What we looking at for Phantom? It's kind of the same thing. Let's go down like this. And like this. Okay. I can see something forming here. I can see something. The initiation ceremony is later. Sapphire, don't be late. Don't be late, Sapphire. Okay? Don't be late, man. No, guys. Sapphire wasn't who I made a mod right now. Sapphire wasn't a mod in the stream. I can do that too, right? I can do that too. Anyways, I can see, right, with my bare eyes here. Okay, it's very faint. But I can see the formation of some type of falling wedge here on Phantom, on the 4-hour and the daily. Some people might say head and shoulders. It's a head and shoulders. It's a head and shoulders. It's a head and shoulders. I'm waiting for all the head and shoulders guys here, right? Guys, this is clearly a head and shoulders pattern, okay? Clearly a head and shoulders pattern. You guys can clearly see it here. I mean, it's just so obvious, right? It's just so obvious that it's a clear head and shoulders. You guys can see the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. This could dump down to the downside. Now, on the other hand, okay, on the other hand, 1 second. I'm going to bring on my good buddy market makers onto the stream real quick. Let's grab my good buddy market makers here. Market makers, come on, man. Yo. Yeah, I'm so white. Whoa. Holy majoli. Just gotta get rid of my eyebrows now, and I'd look like... Holy crap. I was actually watching the Impractical Jokers this weekend, and you know, the guy got bald and lost lost all his hair on his face, and he said, I look like Lex Luthor. I gotta do. I can't even... Baltimore. Baltimore. Jesus. Look like an egg. Oh man. But anyways, no. This is Brendan from Market Makers here. This is Brendan from Market Makers. Guys, we have a clear bearish camel, right? Sometimes you have bullish camels, all right? Sometimes you have bullish camels, but this is a clear bearish candle. Oh, we have beat. We have beat in the chat. Hold on, guys.
Rant alert.
We have Beat in the chat. Everyone say hi to Beat. You're annoying. You're so annoying. My name's Beat. My name is Beat. You're so annoying. My name's Beat Wilson. You're annoying, dude. Like, why do you even stream? Like, I'm watching you right now, and I'm just gonna type in the chat annoying. I'm just gonna type annoying in the chat. My name is Beat. I'm a girl. So, I think I can say whatever I want. Yeah. Annoying. You're so annoying. Like, why are we watching you? Like, you're annoying. I'm gonna go paint my nails. You're annoying. You're so annoying. Yeah. Friggin' Beat. Get out of here, Beat. Later, Beat. No, but anyways, there's a bearish camel pattern here. Okay? A bearish camel. Bye, Beat. And then she says, "Love you." This is what you do, guys. You gotta troll the trolls, man. This is why I don't have that many trolls on my stream, man. He says I troll the trolls. Okay? I literally, anyone that trolls me, I will see you in the chat and I will troll you back. Okay? This is why I don't have trolls on my stream anymore. You can't get to me. Okay? You can't get to me. I think everything is funny. And I will troll you back. It's too funny, man. I am untrollable. You cannot troll the troll. I am the crypto troll. Okay? How do you troll the crypto troll? You can't. You can't do it. You can't do it. Travis said question mark. Here we go with the question mark. It's true. All right. Anyways, jumping back. What were we talking about? We were talking about Phantom. Before we went on a huge rant. Okay. Falling wedge. All right. Falling wedge is, listen. The falling wedge is a bullish pattern, right? Is a bullish pattern. So you go up here. The technical target is 335. Is that going to happen tomorrow? No, it's probably not going to happen tomorrow. But when Baltimore, when's Baltimore coming? But yeah, I mean, is that going to happen tomorrow? No, it's probably not going to happen. But I will say that, it's a good shot. I like you guys know I like the falling wedges. We're gonna need Bitcoin to behave, but I do like the general gist of what we're seeing here. I will say that. And I bet this is also probably the 618 retracement. I gotta assume, right? If we take swing low to swing high, this is actually a 618 retracement. So could we go to 786? Sure. But Phantom has been holding up relatively well in consideration to other coins. So, I mean, 618 falling wedge could be a good shot of reversal there. But we need Bitcoin to behave. Bitcoin, we got 40 minutes, bro. 40 minutes to get your stuff together and to push up ETH past 3,700. Do it, man. Do it. I don't want to buy more SHIB. I really don't want to buy more SHIB, guys. I'm literally about to become like a SHIB maxi at this point. I'm literally about to have $150 worth of SHIB. I don't want to own SHIB. I liked owning one SHIB, and I'm about to own $150 worth. I can't do that. That goes against my morals. I don't want to do that. The good thing is that at least I'm buying it on the dip. Okay, if I'm taking any positive out of this, at least I'm buying on the dip. So, Shibanichi, where's SHIB? SHIB. Yeah, I mean, at least I'm buying the dip. Okay, if I'm going to be positive about this. Look at this. SHIB trolled me so hard, man. We talked about this last time. Look at this. SHIB, we had the upside down crying face on SHIB, right? These are the eyes, these are the tears way back in the middle of 2021. We were all trolling SHIB with the eyes, the tears coming down, the nose, and the giant frown face. And then SHIB trolled everyone. Yo. Shib took me to school, man. That's funny. That's funny. Shib absolutely schooled me. Shib did the same. It took that frown, and let me tell you, it turned it upside down. It turned it upside down, man. I will say that, man. I'll take the L on that one. I will take the L on that one. But hopefully this time I can be part of the Shib army this time. Hopefully. Shib is now 50% of your portfolio. It is. It's probably half. Shib's probably half of my portfolio, to be honest. Shib's probably half of my portfolio. I'm scrolling up. Bitcoin gon' go up. Bitcoin gon' go up. Bitcoin gon' go up. Scrolling up. Still scrolling up. I'm still scrolling up, guys. Still scrolling up in the chat. Still scrolling up. Scrolling. Scrolling. Shiba Doge. Oh no. The Shiba Dogers are back. No. The Shiba Dogers are back. God damn. Come on, man. No. Not the Shiba Dogers. Oh, no. Oh, God. Here we go again, man. No, come on, man. Not again. Come on, man. We went through this yesterday. We literally did this yesterday. The bots are back. I'm about to get botted again, man. Again, I'm about to do it. Bots. That's ridiculous, man. We are not bots. Rip. Too bad, man. I'm gonna see if they actually. Oh God. No, they're all gone. Oh, come on. We're gonna do this again. All right, guys. I gotta fix this again, guys. Hold up. Let me fix one thing here. Smack the like button while I'm fixing this, guys. Smack the damn like button while I'm fixing this. Let's get these a-holes out of here. Let's get these a-holes out of here. All right, see ya, Shiba Dogers. It was nice to know you. But I move on. It was nice to know ya. But I gotta move on. Hey, Shiba Dogers. It was nice to know ya. But I gotta move on. Hey, Shiba Dogers. Fix your bots. Fix my bots. Get them out of here, man. They're actually #1 trending on CMC. Come on, you guys. Can you look that used toilet paper Inu coin? Listen, I told you guys. Shiba Dogers, if you want to troll and you want to spam, okay, at least do something more catchy. No one's buying Shiba Doge, okay? No one's buying Shiba Doge, all right? Don't do it, all right? Don't buy Shiba Doge, guys. Don't buy Shiba Doge. I'm telling you right now, don't buy Shiba Doge. ETH is moving up. Is it actually moving up? Let's see. All right. ETH is trying to move up here. We got 34 minutes, right? 34 minutes until the possible, until this goes down. So let's see if it does. 20 minutes subscript. Yeah, it stops them from spamming. Stops them from spamming. Hopefully it does. Market cap is 130 million. God. Let's see. Craig became a member. What's going on, Craig? Thanks for becoming a member, man. Appreciate you, dude. Some people fall for that. I don't know if any. I think everyone that's left in crypto, guys. I think everyone that's left in crypto, I think is smart enough not to buy something that someone super chats. Listen, I think people, at least people left. Maybe when there's mania phase and you got new people coming into crypto, all right, maybe you'll get people that go, oh, Shiba. Maybe you'll get all the bobs coming out, right? Maybe you'll get all the bobs coming out. Shiba Doge! Holy crap! It's the next Shiba Inu! It's the next Doge! Combined! It's half a Shiba, half a Doge! This is it! Mom, we're gonna be rich! We're gonna move out of this box! Okay? No more meatloaf! We're upgraded to steak and gravy! Alright? This is it! Doge and Shiba! This guy in the chat knows. He knows something that we don't. He does. He knows something. He knows something. What do you know? Right? You'll have people falling for it, right? I mean, listen, but I think people that are still in crypto right now, you ain't falling for that stuff. You ain't falling for that. It is what it is. See ya, man. See ya, dude. All right. BT Sizzle. Spammers will sub eventually. They will sub eventually. I don't know how they do it though. They must have some group where they just be like, guys, we're all gonna spam. We're all gonna spam this group today. They must have some group. You know what I mean? Clint sounds buzzed. Clint does sound a little buzzed. I will say. I will say he does sound a little buzzed today. That's okay. I like Clint buzzed. I like when Clint's a little bit buzzed personally.
Is Shiba really half of your portfolio?
Yes, Shiba is half of my portfolio. Yes, it's probably going to be higher soon. All right, my portfolio. I'm going to own $150 worth of SHIB. I have $50 worth of Bitcoin, $50 worth of ETH, $20 worth of Matic, $10 worth of Chainlink, $5 worth of Mana, $5 worth of AVAX, $5 worth of Harmony, and $5 worth of Phantom. That's my portfolio. So SHIB's about to be SHIB is probably going to be number one. It is number one already at this rate. All right, Bitcoin just got a new hourly. Let's see what Bitcoin can do on this new hourly candle. Jordan capping. I ain't capping. I swear. I sold everything at 69K, guys. I'm a genius. You guys didn't know? I sold all my crypto at 69K. I'm a genius. You should follow everything I say. Okay? I'm a genius. I sold my entire portfolio and I've bought in the dip only a little bit. That's it. Stack some more SHIB. Oh, here comes ETH. Here comes ETH. Clint is cocked. Clint's cocked, man. Is he? Where's Clint? I don't even know where he went. I haven't. He hasn't said anything in a while. Oh no, there he is. I'm not far. What is Clint saying? What is Clint saying today? Come on, ETH. Jordan sold at 69K and now he's laughing at the rest of us. No, man. No. I would never do that. I would tell you guys. That's why I've been saying I might take some profits if we go back up to the high 40s. I'll tell you guys. All right, so 38,390. All right. Come on, ETH. Hoodrich, what's going on, man? He said, "Can you take a look at XTZ? Love the stream, Bo. I got you, man. I got you on that. XTZ. We still got 28 minutes for ETH to make a move here. I feel a little bullish in my Gymborees, I should say. All right, so XTZ. What are we cooking with? Let's check what we've done so far for XTZ. So XTZ. Let's take the swing low to swing high. Let's take a different one. Let's take a different one. Let's actually go down. Holy majoli. I don't even know. XTZ was 30 cents. I remember I used to be an XTZ guy way back, like back in this range. I was a big XTZ guy. And yeah, it did pretty good for a while. It's been like a little slow lately though. Let's take this. So XTZ on the longer time frames hasn't came back to the 786. Can it get back above its golden ratio? Why did I say ratio? Can it get back above its golden pocket, right? You didn't retrace all the way down to the 786 like you did in the summertime, which is fine, right? You don't have to, right? It's not a guaranteed have to, but the question is, what's going to come down to is, this is sort of once again, the swing range is right here, man. You can see it. I mean, look at all the times you had support resistance in this range, right? Resistance, right? Support, resistance, support. Come back up. If you can get back above the swing range, there's a good possibility of you continuing higher, right? The last times you did, right? You got back above, confirm it as support, continued up, right? You got back up, confirm it as support, continued up. So the question is, are you going to be able to get back above the swing level, above the 618? The daily EMA ribbon is going to be right there too, right? So this is going to be the cookie to crack. This is going to be the cookie to crack, right? You're just going to have a ton of resistance at this level, right? The daily's set up for a move. If it wants to move, it's going to move. But it's set up for a move. It's there. It's there. You just got to break it, man. But it's set up. The altcoins are set up if Bitcoin wants to behave. But we don't know if Bitcoin... You never know if Bitcoin's going to behave. That's always the big question, right? Will Bitcoin behave? Will Bitcoin not behave? Or will Bitcoin go sideways like it's done all these times? We don't know. All right, let's go back to ETH. Let's go back to ETH, man. Who's crabby today, guys? Let me know in the chat if you're crabby. Are you guys having a good day, having a bad day? Let me know in the chat. Actually, you know what? While we're sitting here, all right, I'm probably going to be staying on for a little bit today. Let me know in the chat if you are having a good day, if you're having a bad day. Let me know in the chat why you're having a bad day, right? Let me know. Let me know. We can show. We can show. Tell me some stories, man. You got an interesting story? Let me know in the chat, all right? Let me know in the chat if you have an interesting story. I saw some guy fall today. I saw some guy fall on his butt today. He fell right on his butt. Right? He was. I went to the grocery store. He was walking. He was about to walk in. Slipped right on his butt. Right in front of the grocery store. I'm not gonna say I didn't laugh. Yeah. I mean, listen. I went over. I said, "You good? You good? You good?" Not gonna say I didn't laugh. All right. But yeah, that was about the highlight of my day today. That and finding the Java filter was about it. But I had a good day, man. I haven't had a bad day in a long time. I haven't had a day where I'm like, crap, today sucks. I haven't had a day like that in a long time. Long time. All right, let's see what you guys set up here. Let's see if you guys even told me anything. We are due... What? Okay day. Have a nice day, lads. Clap for Vitalik. Good day. Have my granddaughter here. There you go, Betty. There you go, Betty. Marcus said, I need a new job. Nice. You made me blue. Let's see. Undecisive women is making me have a bad day. 100. Make a decision. Make the decision. Okay? Okay, 100. The reason why she's indecisive is because she wants you to make the decision. So Shay, oh, I don't care where we eat. I don't care where we eat. Just pick a place. Go. Okay? Go. I'm telling you, man. Just do it. Just do it. Make the decision. All good days, bro, said Rod. There you go, man. Hit a PR, said Vance. Nice, man. There you go, dude. I went to the grocery store and the glass door came off its hinges. Nice. Good day hanging out with the fam. There you go, girl. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Bitcoin is... All right, ETH. ETH. Buddy, elbow. This is the move. Oh, man. That's funny. Ash said, I'm having a bad day. I sent my landlord my rent twice, and I spit coffee all over my work desk and drank copious amounts of wine to make up for it. That sounds brutal, man. So it sounds like most people had, either a good day or people were doing crazy stuff. That's what it sounds like a little bit. Turn those frowns upside down, y'all. We all gonna make it. Exactly, man. Exactly. Right? I like to. Life has a way of doing terrible things, but then rewarding you with even better things. Right? It has a way. It has a way of doing it. Right? So if you're having a bad day, keep that smile upside down. And you know what? You know what makes a better day? Either a penguin twerking makes it a better day, or Vitalik clapping.
Happy and clapping. Vitalik is impressed. Vitalik clapping. Vitalik clapping.
There we go. Back to ETH having to pull BTC up the hill. I'm hoping, man. I'm hoping he will. I really do. Vitalik clapping. 2702. Let's see what happens next, man. Life is sucking me dry. I have BTC though. How do you have BTC, man? How do you have BTC? That's crazy, man. It's absolutely crazy. So if we actually look at this, where's my button for this, man? Where is my button for this? Where is my button? Where is my button for Vitalik picking his nose? I don't know where it went. No idea. Vitalik clapping. Shiba Doge, come on, man. Chill with the Shiba Doge. Chill with the Shiba Doge, man. Please. Chill. No more. No more, man. I banned the word. This is my YouTube and Twitter, man. They gotta chill with these. All right, hey Clint, I might be winning the bet, man. I might be winning that bet on ETH. I might be winning that bet on ETH, man. 2703. I might be winning that bet, bro. You gonna piss him off? I hope you appreciate it. Give my last $5. Now I'm homeless. God damn. Ultimate Gandhi. Okay, I got a chat. Clint, you're back. Thank you. I love when Clint's in here. I love when Clint. I don't like when Clint's not in here. Okay, I really don't. Holy majoli. Let's go back over here. Bitcoin just chilling in a range right now. I mean, 38 to 400, just chilling, doing nothing like always. What else is going on? What's the fear and greed index looking like right now? We got a 20 on the fear and greed. Okay. 20 on the fear and greed. 26. We're at 26. We're at fear now. We got some pretty good ads today. Wow, no discounts? We have 0 discounts right now, guys. 0 discounts on on the top half of True Classic Tees. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous.
Bitcoin's going to 10K.
Bitcoin's going to 10K just because of that. 14%, it's better than 13%. I will say that. This is ridiculous. So, no discounts? No discounts? It's ridiculous. That's what I would say. Maybe we should test the, should we test the ads again, guys? Should we test the ads? I think we should. Inflation? Inflation. Inflation. Oh, man. The Shiba bro, come on, man. You guys just infiltrate here. But yeah, 38, 387. We chilling. No discounts, inflation. Bro, what the hell, dude? God. There's nothing I can do, guys. There's nothing I can do. I banned the word Shiba. I banned the word Shiba Doge. I banned the word with a space in it. I made subscribers only for 20 minutes. Nothing I can do, man. I'm infiltrated. We're infiltrated. It's ridiculous. 2702 for Captain ETH at the moment, though. True Classic Tees hodling. No discount. They got a DCA. They're DCAing. That's the next institution that's buying Bitcoin is True Classic Tees. Can we short Shiba Doge? I'm out of tea, though. All right. Hey, Clay Clint. Hey, Clint. Hey, Clint. Hey, Clint. All right. Let's see. What else can we talk about? Any alts you guys want to talk about? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat a couple alts. We'll discuss some alts. Give me a few alts. I'm here till at least 8:30. I'll probably stay on for a little bit longer, man. I have a good time, man. Having a good time. I always have a good time on here. You know what I mean? So, let me know a few alts. Even though ETH is what we should be looking at right now at the moment, man. What's Mana doing? I know Mana was pumping. Oh, Mana, baby. Oh, crap. Mana continues up, though. 285. Man, dude, if Mana... I just want Mana to go another run again, which is trying to do. Let's go, Mana. Link, we could do Link. I know Link kind of had a crack. Link was weird today. Link went down. The rest of the market kind of went up. Very interesting day for Link. Very interesting day. Link is just... man, I don't know what happened to Link. Link used to be one of my favorites. It still is. I still think it's undervalued. I do. It's just the price action just been kind of lackluster, right? For a while now. Now, I think it'll bounce back, right? I just don't think people look at Chainlink and get excited, right? People don't look at Chainlink and go, "Wow, I need to FOMO into Chainlink. But it has that use case to me. I mean, it's more of a longer term hold. Chainlink's more of a longer term hold to me. I'm not too worried about short term price action with Chainlink. But Chainlink it's actually, yeah, we'll keep it there. I mean, listen, it came back down to test its previous lows, didn't come back down to the 786, but trying to make some type of double bottom there off its July low. It's just slightly lackluster bounce at the moment, but listen, it's still early. You're just getting resistance on your previous swing lows right there, right? Previous swing lows at 1729. So that's where you get initial rejection today. That's probably why you went down a little bit today and the rest of the market went up. It's just because you hit just a major level, right? That was just a major level for Chainlink. And that's where you went up and got rejected. So, now we got to sort of get back above that. But if they get back above that, hey, we could be cooking again. We could be cooking. But Chainlink, listen, the Chainlink is definitely a longer term hold. It's not something that I don't think you should get like fudded out of Chainlink or anything. Just in a big downwards channel in reality. But yeah, let's get back above the swing low. That's what we want to see for most alts, is getting back above that swing low. You get back above that swing low, you got potential to move up. Come on, BTC. Don't ruin ETH for me. Do not ruin ETH. Yo, this is going to come down to the wire, guys. All right, let me do a poll real quick. Are you on my side or Clint's side? Jordan, Clint. Are you on Jordan's side or Clint's side here? Let me know in the chat. ETH has to close above 2,700. Look where it is right now. This is going to come down to the wire here. This is going to get exciting. We're at 26.9961 with 10 minutes left to go. 10 minutes left to go. This is going to come down to the absolute wire here. Okay? I'm hoping that this obviously, this goes in my favor, obviously. But we want to wait and see. Clint, the new green deal. You just want to see me buy it cheap, don't you? It's ridiculous, man. It's ridiculous. It's 50-50 on Jordan versus Clint. Yo, we're at 2,700. This is ridiculous, man. Despoil, you actually bought the shake weight? No, man. You actually bought the shake weight? You actually bought the shake weight? No, man. Who here bought a shake weight? Let me know in the chat. Who? So it's George get paid. Listen, I'm not acknowledging it, guys. I'm not acknowledging them anymore. Okay, I'm not acknowledging them anymore. I acknowledge them enough. Who here bought a shake weight? Let me know in the chat. Let me know. Let me know in the chat. If you bought a shake weight, I need to know, because I'm gonna troll you guys. Like, listen, if you ever sat in the mirror and you went, yeah. I'm just picturing people, man. I'm just picturing people that don't know how to do anything with fitness going. Yeah, I'm getting jacked. I'm getting so jacked. Let's get my left arm. Here, Jabba, you want to try? You want to try? Jabba, you want to try? Here you go. There's no way. There's no way anyone sat in the... There's no way... There's no way anyone sat in the mirror, man. There's no way anyone sat in the mirror and did that. It's physics. Richie said, what are you doing? I do that. Yo, Gid said I do that all the time. I do that all the time. He said he'd do that all the time. That's too funny. He did mood. Some of your guys like wives and girlfriends are probably like, what the heck are you watching? What the heck are you watching, man? Oh, man. That's too good. That's too good. That is too good, man. Clip, please. Dimitri said, just join now, and Jordan is jerking in the air. Oh, man. I got too much fun in here. I really do. All right, we got 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Right now, Clint is in the lead by $1.70. I don't know if I like this. What else? You guys were asking for some other alts. Let's do Matic. I mean, Matic's a popular one here. Everyone likes Matic. Like, who doesn't like Matic? If you don't like Matic, let me know in the chat. I think it's kind of ridiculous. If you don't like Matic. All right. Matic. The thing about the shake weight is too, no one will admit that they used it. No one will admit that they used it. If I ever used it, I would. I actually never used it though. But no one will admit that they used it. That's the unfortunate part. So, I mean, Matic, you came back down to the previous swing low. Obviously, you're trying to bounce back up now. Let's actually zoom in just a tad. Just a tad. Right here. And let's see what happens. So, let's see what happens. So, if we come down like this, right? And we come up like this. I mean, originally we broke down, but here's the thing. I mean, I know we're watching sort of ascending triangles on Bitcoin and ETH. You got to assume that this is probably in a similar fashion here. This one only has 2 touches on the downside, so it's not as clean. Okay, it's not as clean. JH said I've still used it. I'm jacked, bro. I'm jacked, bro. Andrew said thumbs down. Thumbs down. Oh man, but yeah, listen. I mean, this is probably going to have a move soon too, just like BTC, right? Just like BTC, Matic's going to have a move soon. You're going to decide which way you want to go here relatively soon, probably in the next 3 days. Wow, it's going to be February. Holy moly, does time go by when you're having fun, man? Even though the crypto market's been. Time goes by when you're having fun. It really does. But, yeah, man. Right here, bro. Right here. Probably the next 3 days, I would say. Yeah, no bullish, no bearish div to speak of. Let's go to the daily real quick. I don't think the daily's going to show us much on Matic. You're really just looking to hold this level of support, right? I mean, that's really all it comes down to. Looking to hold this level of support. You stay above this, everything's good. You're just waiting on Bitcoin to have a move up. In the grand scheme of things for Matic, it's for all these alts, man. All these alts. I assume this is going to be a 618 retracement too. Yeah, 618. So all these alts are either sitting right at the 786, or they're sitting between the 786 and the 0.618, or they're sitting at the 618. They're all in this range right here, which is where you want to be for a bottom, right? You want to be either at the 618 or the 786. That's where all the alts are. So that gets me a little bit optimistic. We just need Bitcoin to follow through, right? That's really it. So that's the last step we're kind of waiting for here. All right, 4 minutes, guys. 4 minutes. We're sitting right at 2,700. 65% want me to win. Holy moly. Holy moly. Thank you, guys. That makes my day. 65% of people want me to win and for Clint to lose. I'm shocked because Clint is a fan favorite here. Shit. Why did I say shit? Clint is a fan favorite. So I'm generally shocked at the moment. Zill. Is Bitcoin about to dump? I can't tell at the moment, man. Like, listen, I mean, if history was to repeat, yes. Bitcoin loves to dump at this point. All right? Hits the 400 EMA, dump. Hits the 400 EMA, dump. Hits the 400 EMA. Are you going to dump? Or is this going to be the time where Bitcoin saddles up and becomes a man and breaks the EMA, right? Is it actually going to become a man today? That's what we have to know. That's what we have to know. Blazer said, when we going to Vegas? When we going to Vegas? I actually forget the dates. I know it's in April. Can someone confirm the Vegas dates for me? I know it's April. Let me confirm it for me, guys. Let me know in the chat. I'm going. I got my tickets, my hotel. I just forget when the date is. I'm gonna be there though, obviously. But someone confirm the dates for me in the chat. There's actually a couple people that want to know the dates. And I'm not gonna trust all of you. Okay. There's only a few of you that I'll trust with the date in there. But yeah, I actually haven't even really been pushing it. I'll probably start mentioning it as we get, probably a month out. I'll probably start mentioning a little bit more, but I just haven't been mentioning it because, really, I mean, crypto's been kind of bleh, Jordan gonna be in Vegas by himself and he's gonna be by himself. April 20th. What's up? Is George coming? No, he's not. July? Holy moly. July? What's going on, Jen? Cody said, give your girlfriend a shake weight, and a cookbook for her birthday. Oh, man. A shake weight and a cookbook. I'm not going to make any jokes, man. I'm not going to make any jokes here. I'm not going to make any jokes. She's already a good cook. She could use... I'm going to stop here. Bitcoin banned Chinese New Year. Sure. April 8th. I think it was the 8th to the 14th. I'll double check. It's in the Discord. Yeah, 8th to the 14th. That's exactly what it is. 8th to the 14th. April 8th to the 14th. If you want to go to Vegas, I will be in Vegas 8th to the 14th. Okay? So I'll be there. A bunch of people in here will be there. So if you want to be there, that's when we'll be there. I'll start mentioning it like once a week from now on. I just always forget to, man. I always forget to. What's ETH? Where's ETH? All right, ETH. Yes. Clint. Boom, baby. Let's go. 2703. Love this music. I miss this music, man. All right, we got the close above 2,700. There we go. 830. Boom. There we go. Soul Pump. Mana's going too. Mana's going again. Alts are kind of... Bitcoin's chill. I mean, this is what happens when Bitcoin chills for a little bit after a pump. I mean, some alts kind of go up a little bit. Someone said Soul is pumping. Soul's moving up a little bit. Back above $100, which is good to see for Soul. It's good to see for the Soul. We will need Vegas if we dump in March rate hike nightmare. We'll see, man. I mean, listen, I actually saw something that... what was I going to say? Where did I read this? This could be totally false. I was listening to some video, and someone said that when the rate hikes can't come, this could be totally false, guys. So don't listen to this as financial advice. Obviously, you guys know that if you watch this channel, right? But I read somewhere that the rate hikes in the past, actually, like, prices of stocks actually went up when they first came out, and then they dumped afterwards. I could totally be wrong about that. Listen, I thought I heard this. I have to go back and double check this. This could be totally false. But I thought I heard that somewhere. I could be totally wrong. But yeah, once again, guys, 8 to the 14th for Vegas if you want to be there. I want to party. It took over a year. Yeah, it took over. Yeah, someone said you took over a year. That was from George? Okay, that was from George. So I guess last time, or maybe it wasn't last time, but I guess they pumped for a year and then it went down after the rate hikes, right? No, but Sol's trying to move up. 102.37. Here you go. I can't believe we're getting pumped over there. Over this. Oh, man, bro. I can't believe we're getting pumped over this. Yeah. That's what we came to. Yeah. This is what we're getting pumped over. I guess I keep saying, I guess you got to start somewhere, but it's funny. It's really funny what we came to. But yeah, 102.27. I mean, listen, Solana hasn't really been respecting these fibs, I will say, but let's act. I mean, what I'm gonna do actually, I'm going to just take our retracement this way, because this logically is the next support, right? The 236. The previous support from back in September. I mean, until then, you went straight down and straight up, right? There's no really support resistance in between there, right? So 122 could be next for Solana, right? I mean, there's not really much in the way. Obviously, you got 4-hour probably resistance here. Yeah, you're coming up on 4-hour resistance, just like Bitcoin and ETH. Just like Bitcoin and ETH for Solana, right? I mean, higher lows coming up and horizontal resistance coming across, right? So just a clear ascending triangle, right? I mean, that's as basic as day. As basic as day. I don't even know if that makes sense. But, I mean, an ascending triangle nonetheless, which I would be shocked if this measure move target wasn't exactly that 236. A little bit above. 132. But I bet you get some resistance at 122. Just because you got previous support there. So, Solana not looking too shabby. Let's see if we can continue up there. Mana continuing to move up. I think it's back above its daily EMA ribbon now. Yeah, it is. So now it's going to be whether we can close above this tomorrow, right? So 8:30 or what is it? 6:30? 6:30 now. We got to see if we can get a close above that daily EMA ribbon. So that's not looking too shabby. Let's see. Natural loss. Aren't these ascending triangles bearish when the trend is down? I mean, listen, you got to give any pattern, even bullish patterns, I feel like you got to give them bearish bias, especially in a confirmed downtrend. Bitcoin's in a confirmed downtrend, right? So you have to give it bearish bias. Even though it's a bullish pattern, I'm still not sold on this breaking, right? It's just my opinion, right? That's just my opinion. So, you could look at this and say we're bullish, which it is a bullish pattern, right? It's bullish accumulation, but when you're in a downtrend like this, right? I mean, you got to give this a little bit of bearish bias, right? I mean, you're just going to, and that's why I'm not completely sold. If this was in a bullish bias, like if this was coming up like this, I'd be like, oh hell yeah, we got a bullish accumulation, we're going back up, but you got to give it a little bit more, I would say. W for Clint. Clint, man. Let's go, Clint. Clint, I appreciate it, man. I really do. I mean, you're nuts, bro. You're nuts. I hope you're having a good night, too. It sounds like you're having a good night, Clint. Everyone thinks you're cocked. Everyone literally thinks you're cocked. But, dude, that's awesome, dude. That's awesome, man.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
That's freaking nuts. What was I going to do here? What was I going to do? I was going to do something, man. I was going to do something. Pump it. While we watch, this is gonna be interesting. Hold on. Vitalik.
Happy and clapping. Vitalik is impressed. Vitalik clapping, clapping, clapping.
I love Vitalik.
Vitalik clapping, 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 clapping.
Vitalik, can I get your booger? Can I get your booger? It looks so juicy. Vitalik, no, come back. I want your booger. I don't like your coin, but I want your booger. It looks so good. It looks so good. Someone said I can't. I'm too high. Shoot. Shoot. What are we going to do? All right. In the meantime, what else is moving? Nothing really moving. Mess with the bulls and you get the what the mess with the bulls and you get the BS. I bet you could list this booger on eBay. You probably could. You probably get a bunch of money for that booger, you know? You probably could just put your booger on. You probably could put a random booger on eBay and being like, this is Vitalik's booger, and someone would buy it, right? Someone would buy it. You could probably make a Vitalik booger NFT, right? A Vitalik booger NFT. Drew said, "Ugh, I'm so tired." Drew. I am a little bit tired too. I will say I'm a little bit tired too. Chilling. Bit tired. Someone said go to bed. Ralph said go to bed. We got Drew and Ralph fighting in the chat. Go to bed, he said. All right, guys. Listen, I mean, it's not... Bitcoin's chilling. I say that every time, and Bitcoin pumps after, or dumps. Bitcoin's chilling. We'll see what it does, right? I mean, it's at some important moving averages, right? It's at important moving averages. So let's see if we can make any headway here. But, you know, we've gotten rejected on this once. We got rejected on this twice. Let's see if we can break it this time. If we get back above this, there's a good shot of us at least probably going back up the test, at least like we said, a $40,000 region. There's a good hypothesis for that. Hypothesis. But, you know, if we can't, well, we may be going back down into Goblin Town. And that's not what we want. So, let's see. Well, I'll be back tomorrow, guys. 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you guys are here. Appreciate you guys being here. Subscribe if you are new to the channel. Great stream today. The Shiba Dojers came out in full force. But I'll catch you guys later. Peace out. Don't panic sell your Bitcoin. Go follow me on Twitter. Join the Discord if you haven't already. And adios, amigos. Adios.